Alright guys, this is my first unboxing video ever what I made, so please bear with me. Today we're gonna unbox a micro ATX gaming case. It's not very expensive one, it was like 28 quid shipped from eBay, but it looks very nice. And now I gonna be building gadget budget computer in there. It will be Ryzen 3 2200G with RX 580 and terabyte drive, 8 gig DDR4, some Asus low-end motherboard, but it will be sufficient enough to play games at high settings with a decent FPS. So, without further ado, let's start. Okay. They have two variants. So far, what I saw was white and black. I did order the white one. Get stuck. Come on. Okay. I hope I will not get stuck with electric. Sure. Let's see. Okay. Times. Look at the size. How small is it? Yep. This is supposed to have a tempered glass instead of plexiglass. Let's bring it on the table. Okay. So, sorry for that. It's not good light. Let's try to have more light. Yep, that's better. Okay, so this is the side with the tempered glass. My tripod failing me. Let's have a blue protective film. This is the front. Here, this one is RGB. I will show it later when computer is built. I like this logo, the first player. So nice feet, chrome ones. Metal, it's nothing robust, but it's not paper style. So let's have a look. Let's have a magnetic air dust filter on the top. By the look of it, you can install 220mm fans on top, one at the back, with option for 80mm. I don't really want to these days to be fitting 80mm fans because they are loud. If you don't have any dust filter at the bottom, that's alright. We can expect 28-pound shipped, isn't it? Let's see how well is done the side panel when I go and move it, if it will fall off or well, probably it will. So let's be careful. Yep, it's falling already. Okay. Well, to be honest, I've seen this. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's thick glass. That would be like Well, could be like 20 mil. If you can look like 20 mil. Well, I've seen this type of mounting of the side panel, even with brand name cases like Cool Master. So, but to be fair, at the low end budget side. So inside it's pretty much open concept, which is quite good, but it could be bad. But I would say in this case, because the computer is quite small, it's for micro ATX. It's meant to be for micro ATX, but I can see it can take actually full ATX board. Okay, but description said micro ATX. Well, whatever, it will fit anything, isn't it? ATX, micro ATX, and ITX. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 expansion slots. Bottom mount power supply. At the front, you can see it can be mounted there. I would 3.5 inch hard drive for sure. And what is look like it can be from other side. It's at the same time mount for a front fan. Okay. We have a cutout for the CPU bracket. As I said, two 120s on the top. We have some mounting holes for tappies for SSDs at the bottom here. Let's see it from other side. Oh, that's tight. Okay, got it. Okay, so another, what is this? Okay, that's like, it appears like a SSD mount just on the two screws, but for SSD it doesn't matter, it will hold nicely. You have some cable management channel here and here. It's cool. Alright, I believe I can do some nice cable management there. The top, I can't detach the top. Here is the rest of the screws and send-offs. So what are we having here? So USB 3.0, you have a front I/O, power reset, and no, what is this? Power LED, hard drive LED, and power software. Okay. USB 2.0, two of them, 3.0, one on the top, and another cable which seems to be stuck here. Reset software, but I would say the reset button, usually these are working as a controller for LED. So because I don't see any different cable here, I would say it would be connected that way. But we'll find out when I will build the computer. Let's try to detach the front. It's very light without the glass on the side. Yep, this goes. And yeah, so it's our Molex for the power. Here is the LED strip. It's PCB based. Okay, quite good. Well, I can't really complain for the 28 pounds shipped. I can't really complain. I think it will be a nice build. Alright guys, so this is it for now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and leave me comments. Thank you.